Have you ever wondered what it's like to explore the wonders of Japan, starting with the iconic Mount Fuji? Picture yourself embarking on the exhilarating journey to conquer Japan's highest peak. As you ascend, you're greeted by breathtaking views that stretch as far as the eye can see. The sense of achievement upon reaching the summit is unparalleled. Mount Fuji, a spiritual beacon, symbolizes the country's natural splendor. After descending from the summit, our journey takes us to the heart of Japan's cultural heritage, the ancient city of Kyoto. As we step into the city of Kyoto, we become part of a timeless symphony of history and culture. Kyoto, the ancient capital of Japan, is a living testament to the country's deep-rooted spiritual heritage. Here, among narrow streets and cherry blossom trees, you'll find a stunning array of historic temples and shrines. From the iconic Fushimi Inari Taisha, with its thousands of vermilion torii gates, to the golden pavilion, Kinkakuji, whose top two floors are completely covered in gold leaf, these spiritual sites are a sight to behold. Each temple tells a story, their architectural beauty echoing centuries of devotion and reverence. But it's not just about the grandeur. These temples offer tranquil sanctuaries amidst the city's hustle and bustle. The soft rustle of leaves, the gentle clatter of prayer wheels, the soothing chants of monks, they whisk you away to a world of peace and serenity. Leaving the serene temples behind, we brace ourselves for an adventurous hike in the Japanese Alps. From the tranquil temples of Kyoto, we transition to the rugged peaks of the Japanese Alps. Here, the world seems to hold its breath, the air crisp and clean, the silence broken only by the distant call of a hawk or the rustle of wind through the trees. This is a place where nature reigns supreme, where each step brings you closer to the heart of the wilderness. As you traverse the alpine trails, you'll find yourself immersed in a panorama of stunning landscapes. Mighty peaks rise around you, their slopes carpeted in lush greenery in the warmer months and dusted with snow in the colder seasons. You'll encounter a diverse array of flora and fauna, from the delicate alpine flowers that dot the meadows to the agile mountain goats that scale the steep cliffs. Hiking in the Japanese Alps is more than just a physical journey. It's a chance to reconnect with nature, to feel the earth beneath your feet and the sky above your head. After our adventure in the wild, we move to the poignant city of Hiroshima and the picturesque Miyajima Island. Hiroshima, a city that has risen from its tragic past, and the beautiful island of Miyajima await us. Hiroshima, a city once devastated by atomic bombing, now stands as a symbol of peace and resilience. At the heart of the city, the Peace Memorial Park serves as a poignant reminder of the past, inviting us to remember and reflect. The park houses the iconic A-Bomb Dome, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, along with memorials and monuments dedicated to the victims of the bombing. From there, we make our way to Miyajima Island, a short ferry ride from Hiroshima. The island is home to the Itsukushima Shrine, a stunning Shinto shrine that appears to float on the water during high tide. If you're up for a hike, the summit of Mount Mizan offers panoramic views of the Seto Inland Sea and surrounding islands. The journey does not end here. Tokyo's electric districts are next on our list. From the historical to the hypermodern, we now dive into the heart of Tokyo. This bustling metropolis, a city of contrasts, pulsates with an energy that's both infectious and inspiring. The neon-lit streets of Shinjuku and Shibuya, the city's vibrant entertainment districts, are a kaleidoscope of color and movement. Here, towering skyscrapers house high-tech arcades, trendy boutiques, and cutting-edge restaurants, reflecting Tokyo's reputation as a global trendsetter. Yet, nestled among these modern marvels, you'll find pockets of the city's rich history. Asakusa, for instance, is a district that serves as a testament to Tokyo's past. Here, the air is filled with the aroma of incense from Sensoji, the city's oldest temple, and traditional rickshaws trundle down the streets, offering a stark contrast to the high-speed trains that zip through the city. But what truly sets Tokyo apart is its unique blend of tradition and technology. It's a place where ancient shrines stand alongside futuristic robotics labs, where centuries-old festivals are celebrated with the same fervor as anime conventions. This harmonious coexistence of the old and the new, the sacred and the innovative, is what defines Tokyo. As our journey comes to an end, we leave you with a glimpse of the endless opportunities for exploration that Japan offers. From scaling majestic peaks to navigating electric districts, every adventure in this country is a step into a world where tradition meets innovation.